we got a ThyssenKrupp here.
Walking up to the ThyssenKrupp.
And now we're walking away from the ThyssenKrupp.
Reverse. The map is over there, I think. I see the panel.
Oh, it looks like
gotta
it.
be the map. White down arrow.
Going down.
Probably Endura.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a new one.
Kind of. It's got the older indicator. I have yet to see a new installed elevator without the ThyssenKrupp logo.
Yeah. Bit of a harsh stop.
I think some of them just don't have
Basement.
it. Yep, endurance hydraulic. I wonder what that number is for.
1582. I was wondering, maybe it's just some tagger.
They just wrote it.
Oh, maybe that's their like call sign or whatever. Who knows?
That'd be funny sound. No one would ever suspect of it. What's up, everybody? This is 1582.
Second floor.
Right. More academic area.
Department of Communications.
Going down.
That's a loud voice.
Yeah, it is kind of loud, I was going to say.
Yeah, it's funny. That voice has probably been around since like 2000.
It's been around a bit now.
Well, it's on the Republic Plazas, which were 2000 model.
Not as long as the Otis Boys voice has been around.
You know, I kind of wonder if Republic Plaza had some stuff done to it later.
Me too.
First floor.
Because, like, the, it seemed like a 2000 kind of thing.
Yeah.
I wonder if they were ELDs originally.